Remove the protection plate. Remove the screws. Disconnect the plug. Remove the trunk. Remove the screws. There are 3 important accessories in total. Remove these 2 screws. Remove spring. Installation of metal fittings. Please note this step. Motor and original lock fit together. Put the hooks on. Recovery springs. Restore the original locks. Pay attention to the exact position of the installation. Installation of power supply. Red line 加 Black line. Turn on the power cord. Test the function. If the hood does not close, please check the installation height and position of the lock body is accurate.